Marsala, southwest of Sicily, in front of a lagoon with an isle which is called Mascia. Very important and very famous for its wine and for Garibaldi. We are in County Colombaio Lasagna over here, and the villa we're going to show you is wonderful, partially made with recycled ancient materials. You see, it's brand new, but it has been recycling all the materials which are part of the territory. 180 square meters livable. Let's explore it together. The structure is particular because other than all the materials which are being used, recycled materials which are part of the territory, some of them is even more than 1 century old. All the acreage surrounding the villa is 6,500 square meters, with olive trees, vineyards, and then figs. There's a fig which is so sweet. So many fruit trees. And look at the first room that you meet. Look at the marble, for example, and all the other materials. These are Spanish tiles. This is a living room and kitchen all together. Some part of this villa needs to be completed, but actually it will be delivered to you as completed. Totally completed. As you see, everything is stone, is wood, and some of the parts, as I told you, is or was part of ancient old villas here in Marsala. Climbing up from the staircase, you meet this terrace with this view, with a countryside, with a Marsalian countryside, which is wonderful, as, once again, the typical Sicilian landscape, which is good. And you see all the acreage surrounding the villa, which is 6,500 square meters. What particularly hits me about this villa is the fact that a few plastic has been used. For example, even the drain, this one is clay. This is the veranda which needs to be completed, but imagine it, for example, as a porch with the wood roof. But let's go to another part of the villa. The architectural style is particular because actually is not squared, but it just follows the ground just to be in the territory, in the Sicilian territory of Marsala. Let's get inside. This is an apartment which is totally apart, as you can see. So think about it. You may, for example, divide it, share with other people, or buy it as an investment and, for example, rent these rooms, a sitting room and kitchen, and 2 more bedrooms, 1 big bathroom over here. And please notice the style which is typical in Sicilian, but show such a good taste. Everything has been cured, even in the smallest details. So look, for example, at this bedroom and 1 more bedroom over here. If you see something which is not completed, do not be scared, please. Don't worry, because actually the keys of this property will be given to you when the house is completed. And this is another wing. Finally, the last part that we're seeing. Look at this, the arch, for example. Think about that. Foes that you will see, or stones, are even older than Garibaldi was the hero over here in Marsala. Garibaldi actually landed in Marsala before going elsewhere in Sicily. And look, for example, at all these materials which are nice. All the windows here actually have got a perfect insulation, a thermic insulation and acoustic one, which means that you can't hear the sound or something else more. This is another apartment. I mean, it's completely more than the ones that we have visited so far. For example, look at these tiles over here. Look at the beauty of this kitchen. Look at this bathroom, which I would like you to see with my eyes. Look at this, how nice it is. And for example, the owner told me a nice story about these doors. They were just lying outside, getting sea salt and wind and water. But so see how resisting they are. Let's go just upstairs. Do you know what? The thing that hits me more about this villa, not only the beauty of it, which is evident, as you see, because it's beautiful, but actually the restoration, the capability of a man, who's the owner, to restore, to retake all the materials, the historical materials, give them new birth. So this is the night zone. One bedroom, another bedroom, as you see, all restored, perfectly restored. And this is the area where a swimming pool can be built. Well, it's up to you. So also remember that there's a gas heater for water and all the rest in the house. There's a system, but not the panels, the for solar panels. Well, you can add them if you want, and the air conditioning all around. Well, this is a beautiful villa in Marsala, a few kilometers from Birgi Airport.